In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the partial quotient or Continental method of division to divide a two-digit number by a one-digit number, in this case, 87 divided by 4. With the partial quotient or Continental method, you set the problem up the same way as in the traditional method, that is, 87 divided by 4. But you extend this line because you're going to separate the information that you gather on the right-hand side of that line from the information that you record on the left-hand side of it. I know that division is repeated subtraction, and that means that I'm going to pull groups of 4 out of 87 until I can't pull any more out. I could pull them out one at a time, but that would take forever. So I'm going to pull out groups of 4. I know that multiplying by 10 is very easy to do in my head, so I'm going to start by pulling out 10 groups of 4. I keep track of the groups that I'm pulling out over here. And on this side, I record the actual total that I'm pulling out. So 10 groups of 4 is 40. I'm going to pull that 40 out of the 87 that I have, and that's going to leave me with 47. I'm still pulling out groups of 4, and I see that because my number is higher than 40, I can pull 10 more groups out. I'm going to record those 10 groups that I'm taking out on this side, and then I'm going to actually take out 10 groups of 4, which is 40, on this side. That leaves me with 7. Now I know that I can't pull 10 more groups out because 7 is much smaller than 40. I do know that I can pull one more group of 4 out. So I keep track of that on this side, and then over here, I actually go ahead and pull those 4 out. I'm left with 3. Now, the amount that I have left, 3, is smaller than the amount that I need to pull out, 4. So I know that I can't pull any more groups of 4 out. I'm done. At this point, I keep track, or I total up, the number of groups that I pulled out of 87. First I pulled out 10 groups of 4, and then I pulled out 10 more groups of 4, and then I pulled out a single group of 4, which means that I pulled out 21 groups of 4 from 87, and I was left with a remainder of 3. So the Continental method, or the partial quotient method, helps me see that 87 divided by 4 is 21, remainder 3. And what this means is that I can pull 21 groups of 4 from 87 and have 3 left over.